Welcome everyone. General Annual Predictions 2026. These predictions will help you to draw a roadmap for 2026. What type of favors or challenges you can expect this year? A detailed comparative analysis of different planetary positions is done to cover almost all aspects of life. Therefore, for better guidance, watch predictions for your moon sign as well as for your Lagna sign. Virgo. 2026 will give you many opportunities to achieve professional and financial growth, but Saturn also wants you to take care of your mental and physical health. This year, you may feel increase in professional responsibilities and work pressure. First half of the year, January to June 2, will offer a number of opportunities to working professionals to gain visibility, acknowledgement, and recognition. Presence of Jupiter in house of profession indicates their efforts are not going unnoticed and they will receive appreciation, promotion, honor for their efforts. At times there may be increased work pressure. You may have to handle extra responsibilities, but all your efforts will contribute in your growth. Presence of Rahu in your house of competition can prove beneficial. It will encourage you to handle increased professional responsibilities and complex tasks with ease and confidence. But stay grounded. Do not let Rahu inflate your ego and confidence. And keep improving your professional skills. Do not disrespect or undermine the importance of colleagues and seniors at workplace. And also be careful, do not get involved in office politics. Throughout 2026, Saturn will influence your house of fortune and your Lagna, indicating only discipline, sincerity, and hard work will make you fortunate. January to May period may be a bit slow for business growth. You may have to put a lot of hard work to achieve a consistent and stable progress in business. There may be unnecessary delay in different segments. Some deals may get delayed due to pending paperwork, or there may arise some other challenges. But have patience. This challenging phase is temporary. Between January to June 2, Jupiter will provide you a positive environment to increase your investments and fixed assets. Jupiter is influencing your house of profession and simultaneously house of wealth, indicating a very profitable period. You will get opportunities to increase your investments and fixed assets through professional growth. Your professional commitments and wise decision making will help you to increase your wealth, but miscalculations or overassessment can result in overspending and increasing the financial burden. First half of the year will help you in increasing financial stability. But in this time period, you have to be a little vigilant because side by side you will see rise in your expenditure on comforts and other family affairs. Spend wisely and create a balance between investments and expenditure. June 2 to October 31st is highly favorable for growth and gains in business as well as in job. Do not miss these opportunities. For business expansion, getting new contracts, or entering into new partnerships. Working professionals will also get promotions, increments, bonus, recognition, new opportunities for growth to further improve their future prospects. This time period is highly favorable to generate more wealth, increase your income. You can also have more than one source of income. Presence of Ketu in 12th house and Jupiter in 11th house can create difficulties for those who are planning to go to foreign country for professional reasons. Paperwork might get delayed, but these glitches are temporary. If you have promise in your birth chart for job in foreign country, you will go in near future when planetary positions will favor you. As Jupiter moves to Leo after October 31st, you may have to live away from family due to professional commitments. People may also plan religious or spiritual journeys in this time period. Ketu in 12th house in the sign of Leo wants you to spend your time in isolation with self, do introspection, and recognize your true potential. In the process of decluttering your physical and mental space, some of you might also donate old belongings like books, clothes, or other household objects. you might feel will help you clear your physical space and increase mental stability. This will also help you to control your useless expenditure. This is the year of professional and financial growth for Virgo, so you should not neglect your health. Healthy lifestyle should be primary requirement for you. In 2026, Saturn will be in your 7th house, aspecting 1st house. Mercury will also be combust or retrograde in initial months, so health demands extra attention. There may be mood swings, overthinking, laziness, lethargy, body pain. Some respiratory issues can bother you. Be more careful between January 2 to February 5. Between June 2 to October 31st, Jupiter will be exalted in 11th house. You have to control your eating habits during this time period. You may start overeating, so be vigilant beforehand and adopt a healthy lifestyle. Include meditation, yoga, physical workout in daily routine. And also eat healthy. 2026 will be favorable for students. Your hard work and discipline will bring positive outcome. January to June 2 period is favorable for academics as well as for competitive exams. In first half of the year, you will get a peaceful and supportive environment at home to stay away from distractions and study hard. Jupiter will help you to give your 100% and fulfill your dreams. Those preparing for competitive exams related to government jobs or private jobs or college admissions in areas like medical, engineering, management, law, judiciary, defense, or for UPSC exams can get positive results through consistent efforts. Time period after October 31st is again favorable for achieving positive outcome in competitive exams. From June 2 to October 31st, Jupiter, the significator of knowledge, will be exalted in Cancer sign. Will have full effect on House of Higher Education. This period will be highly beneficial for students pursuing higher education or doing professional courses to upgrade their skills for career growth. October onwards, Jupiter will move to Leo, and this period will be beneficial for students living abroad or in hostels away from home to pursue different academic and professional courses. Research scholars will also see considerable progress in their projects during this time period, and their efforts will bring positive outcome. In 2026, Saturn is aspecting your 4th house. This may cause some tension or disturbance in family environment. But during this year, Jupiter, the lord of your 4th house, will be very supportive. From January to June 2, Jupiter will aspect its own house and strengthen it. From June 2 to October 31st, Jupiter will be exalted in Cancer, giving full protection to 4th house. And even after October 31st, Jupiter will move to Leo and will again aspect 4th house. In this way, you will get full support of Jupiter to handle the situations with maturity and patience and strengthen your relations with family members. Between June 2 to October 31st, you will get many opportunities to attend events, celebrations, or plan outdoor activities with family members and friends. There may be some new addition in the family, someone may get married, or arrival of a newborn. If you are planning to buy some property, house or vehicle, etc., Jupiter is very favorable this year, but Saturn can cause some delay. So proceed after doing proper market research and assessment. From June 2 to October 31st, Jupiter is aspecting your 5th house of love relations and 7th house of marriage. People looking for marriage partner will find positive opportunities in this period. You may get engaged or get married during this time period if your birth chart has favorable dasha for marriage. This period is also favorable for love marriage. Presence of Saturn in 7th house can cause some delay or challenges in marriage, but not for everyone. Only if you do not have yoga of marriage in 2026. Otherwise, you are having support of Jupiter and situations are favorable. But Saturn causing delay is not something serious because with transition of Saturn, this problem will get solved by itself. For married people, first half of the year is not very favorable in terms of relationship. There may arise differences, disagreements as Mercury is not in a strong position and Saturn is also in your 7th house. This may cause stressful situations and disturb mental peace. There is no direct support of Jupiter to 7th house during this period, so you should be practical, understand your partner's viewpoint, make healthy communication, be supportive. After 2nd June, relations will move in positive direction. You will feel emotional connect with your partner and relations will become more mature and stable. 5th house of relationships is ruled by Saturn and Saturn stands for ethics and maturity. It will support only serious and well intended relations. After June 2, Jupiter will directly support 5th house and will help you to bring stability in your relations. These predictions are based on Gochar of planets in 2026. Results will differ for individuals according to their ongoing dasha and placement of planets in their birth chart.